Welcome back to Improve Autos. If there is one vehicle that can make everyone on the street stop and smile, it's this one. This is the 2026 Volkswagen ID Buzz. It's the spiritual successor to the legendary 1960s Samba bus, but don't let the retro looks fool you. Underneath that iconic two-tone paint is a cutting-edge electric platform. After years of waiting, the long-wheelbase version is finally here in the US, and it's bigger, faster, and smarter than ever. Is this the ultimate family electric vehicle for 2026? Let's find out if the Buzz is actually worth the hype. Exterior. The design is a masterclass in nostalgia. The 2026 model features that massive illuminated VW logo up front and a sleek LED light bar that connects the IQ Light matrix headlights. For 2026, VW has also added new 20-inch aerodynamic disc wheels that look like they came straight off a vintage concept car. It's boxy, it's bold, and because it has a drag coefficient of just 0.29, it's surprisingly efficient for its size. Interior. Step inside and it feels like a high-end apartment. The 2026 ID Buzz for the US market comes standard with 3 rows of seats, fitting up to 7 people comfortably. The dashboard is clean and modern, featuring a 12.9-inch infotainment screen running the latest software, which is much faster and more intuitive than the early versions. You'll find Easter eggs everywhere, from little smiley faces on the door panels to a silhouette of the van in the window glass. With the panoramic smart glass roof that changes from clear to opaque at the touch of a button, the cabin feels incredibly airy and spacious. Performance. Under the floor is a 91 kilowatt-hour battery pack. You can choose between the rear-wheel drive version with 282 horsepower or the beastly 4-motion all-wheel drive, which pumps out 335 horsepower. The all-wheel drive version can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.0 seconds, which is ridiculously fast for a van. The range is roughly 234 miles per charge, and with its 200 kilowatt DC fast charging capability, you can go from 10% to 80% battery in just about 26 minutes. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the tight turning radius makes it feel much smaller than it actually is. Now for the numbers. The 2026 Volkswagen ID Buzz isn't exactly a budget van. The base Pro S model starts at approximately $59,995 USD. If you want the loaded Pro S Plus with all-wheel drive, you're looking at around $67,995, while the exclusive first edition trims can reach nearly $70,000. While it's priced like a luxury SUV, you have to remember, there is absolutely nothing else on the road that offers this combination of style, space, and electric performance. So would you pick the ID Buzz over a traditional SUV like the Tesla Model X? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Improve Autos for more EV reviews.